Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my presentation. Our thesis title is Design and Performance Improvement of Microstrip Patch Antenna using graphene-based material for communication application. Let me introduce myself first. I am Mohammad Salim Hossain, Senior Lecturer, Department of Computing and Information System, Daffodil International University. I am presenting this research paper on behalf of all authors. This is my student research papers under my supervision and others co-authors. Outline of this presentation. At first we will discuss about the objective of this presentation, then we will highlight the introduction, related research work and microstrip patch antenna. Then we will discuss about the material that has been used to design this microstrip patch antenna and also design methodology. Finally, we will evaluate different parameters such as return loss, gain, directivity. And next, we will discuss about the application of this antenna and also the comparison of different parameters. The objective of this research work is to determine the perfect fit point location of a microstrip patch antenna that will be used to increase the directivity and also reduce the return loss. Moreover, another objective of this research work is to improve the performance of microstrip patch antenna to increase the gain. We know that antenna is a radiating uh, system by which radiating or receiving uh, of different radio waves, different types of antenna has been already exist. For example, dipole antenna, loop antenna, horn antenna, and others, array antenna, etc. While performing this research work, we have studied different uh, research work from different books, and also we analysis many research work. Most of them they have used FR4 Roger Arlon. But in this research work, we use graphene-based material because it is a new material. We have included this material in our design procedure. Here are some references related research work that has been we studied. Microstrip patch antenna. What is microstrip patch antenna? Microstrip patch antenna consists of radiating patch that contains one side of dielectric substrate which has a background plane on the other side. It is mainly developed by Bob Monson in 1972. But why we use microstrip patch antenna? Microstrip patch antenna, we mainly used microstrip patch antenna to because it is easy to fabricate. Moreover, it is lightweight and it also can handle single and dual frequency operation. However, the cost of this antenna is very low and also the performance is very high. Moreover, it will execute linear and circular polarization. The material that has been mainly used in this research work, that means designing the substrate, designing the material, the dielectric substrate, that is called graphene, because it is popular and cost effective material compared to the other materials. Feature of graphene. Why we use graphene? That means we mainly use graphene as because it is hardness. Also, it is transparent as flexible, and it has extremely conductive feature and much lighter and high resistance. Also, antibacterial effect has been exist in this graphene based material. Now we'll discuss about the design methodology. That means how this research work or innovative work has been performed. Mainly, we have firstly determined the substrate permittivity. Then we have designed the feed impedance and to investigate the broadband technique. And next one is we have designed the broadband patch and benchmark for commercially available antenna. This is called design methodology. The platform that has been used in this research work, that means we have used CST Studio Suite 2070 simulator software. It is very user friendly and provide high accuracy and also commercially recognized software. Design antenna, that means this is the front view of McCready patch antenna of in CST simulation software. This is our design antenna. That means here exists substrate material. We have indicated the substrate material and we have also indicated the patch. That yellow color is indicated the patch. It has also existed the ground material and also the fit point location that has been indicated the arrow sign. This is our design antenna. Now we will analyze different parameter. For example, first we have analyzed return loss. The return loss of this antenna is minus 23.673 dB at operating frequency 2.45. We have also get another return loss and that the operating frequency less than 4, that means 3.80, but we mainly get return loss in at the frequency of 2.45 gigahertz. The gain, what is the obtainable gain of this antenna? We have obtained gain 6.80 at 2.45 frequency gigahertz. Here we have used frequency 2.45 among radiating efficiency minus 0.5008 and total efficiency is minus 1.366. Finally, we have gained 6.8 dB. Another parameter is voltage standing wave ratio, that is called VSWR. We have also obtained the value of VSWR is 2. Here is a figure of VSWR. The output directivity of this antenna, that means directivity of this antenna is that has been obtained by simulation software, that is 7.302 dBi at operating frequency 2.45 gigahertz. Here is the figure of output directivity. Next one is that is 2D radiation pattern of far field gain. Here we have executed 2D radiation pattern of far field gain at 2.45 gigahertz frequency. This is the figure of output gain by 2D radiation pattern. Now the another figure, that is output directivity or by 2D form. Here we have also the far field for frequency, that is 2.45. This is the figure of output directivity in 2D form. Now where we will use this antenna system, that means we can use this design and antenna in WLAN application, wireless local area network, also Zigbee wireless network and aircraft, the GPS system, ECG monitoring and mobile communication. This is the application of this antenna. We will now compare the different with other research work. That means And firstly, we performance parameter and return loss, that is graphene is minus 23.673, but on the other hand, FR4 and alone we have seen minus 10 to minus 21. Moreover, we have gain bandwidth minus 13.83. On the other hand, FR4 is 2.45 and Arlon is 4.5. We have also saw the VSWR and also gain, and finally directivity that has been obtained in this antenna. This is the directivity. Conclusion and future work, mainly uh, our main intention is to design a microstrip patch antenna by graphene based material, because this is the new material, and we have used to design this antenna by this material, and to obtain the feed point location where return loss is 23.673 and also gain is 6.80 and reactivity 7.320. Our future plan is to fabricate this design antenna, because the lab facility in our country is not available to fabricate this type of antenna. This is the references of our research work. Thanks to all. Uh, Thank you, everybody. Assalamu alaikum.